Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Accord mirror. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement mirror assembly for your specific Honda Accord model. Park your vehicle on a flat, safe surface and turn off the ignition completely. This ensures your safety and prevents any electrical issues during the process. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Gently pry off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool to expose the mirror's mounting bolts and wiring. Locate the electrical connector for the mirror and carefully disconnect it. Finally, use your screwdriver to remove the 3 mounting bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe, as you might need them. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Secure it firmly using the 3 mounting bolts you saved earlier. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror, ensuring a snug fit. Before putting the door panel back, test the mirror's electronic adjustments to confirm everything works correctly. You're almost done. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap securely into place. Double-check that all mirror functions, such as power adjustments and any heating elements, are working perfectly. Take a moment to admire your work. For more great content and to find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other fantastic deals, be sure to check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.